There are some people are there who they are going to subscribe for our video course. Just by listening 2 minutes, then, sir, this video is course not suitable for me. How many minutes? By listening only 2 minutes, this video course is not suitable for me. Can you please convert to other course? Like that. Requests are coming from the students. Okay. The problem here is microwave oven mentality. If you remove that microwave oven mentality from your body, okay, then exponential results, I'm sure you people are going to see. Okay, Babu sir asked, sir, keep on posting YouTube videos, but I'm not seeing any views, subscribers, no improvement in the views, no one is seeing, sir. What I have to do, like, how many days onwards you are doing? For the last 15 days or 20 days onwards, sir. Sir, do one thing. I will tell one success formula. Are you going to follow or not? Yeah, why not? Like he told. Simple. Forget about views. Forget about result. Don't think about outcome. Every day, your job is publish one video. That's all. Don't think about how many views are coming, how many subscribers are coming. Like, just your job is just publish one video every day, one AI video or something, whatever is a related domain. One video every day publish. That's all. Like, are you sure, sir? Like, yeah, I'm the successful person in the YouTube, man. Almost 10 lakh, 1 million subscribers are there with us in my channel, sir. Then I successful. I'm doing every day. Like, then, okay, I will do, sir. Like, just after telling this point, after 1 week, Babu sir and myself went there to attend some workshop. Then immediately one person came, sir, your AI videos are amazing, sir. Thank you, sir. Every day I'm seeing, like, in front of me only, someone came and appreciated Babu sir. Then Babu sir saw my face. I remember, saw my face. Sir, you told the formula, sir. The same thing only I'm following. Yeah, just in 5 days only I'm saying. Yeah. So, yeah, don't think about result. Do some action consistently for 1 year or 2 years, like, then definitely results automatically will come into the picture.